So here's how we can optimize the Apple Watch for focus. Let me show you some options and features that we have available. And if you are new here on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course, you're going to check out the settings app right here on the iPhone that is paired to the Apple Watch, and you can find the focus section, right? So you can manage it right here. But the whole point is that the Apple Watch is the extension of the iPhone. So all of the things which you can like set up on the iPhone should also apply on the watch. And inside of the focus modes, like inside of a specific one, for example, a personal or work, you also have the ability to set up the watch face, right? So when you enable the personal focus, for example, you'll have the ability to change the home screen of your iPhone, lock screen as well, but also the watch face, right? So it's connected like that. You can browse from your existing setup watch faces, and it just means that this one will be visible and used while you are inside of the focus mode. And based on that, you are supposed to set one up, right? So when you go back to the watch application, you can browse all of the watch faces, and you can literally just click on the edit and remove ones, or go to the face gallery and set up one which you eventually want to even use for the focus purposes, right? So you can browse from any of these right here. Perhaps for the personal focus mode, you might want to use something which doesn't have too many apps or like widgets or complications, perhaps something like simple like that, right? So you can choose that one to be shown or used while you are inside of the focus mode. So that would be like a good way to set that up. Also, on the Apple Watch, you can as well set up and enable the focus mode by clicking the side button to get to the control center and turning it on from here. So that is, I guess, another possibility too. So let me know what you think below. If there is something very specific which I did not mention and you had it in mind, or something you wanted to, fix on your device, let me know about it below. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.